Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert clips between other clips in DaVinci Resolve. This is an incredibly useful technique when you're editing and realize you need to add footage in the middle of your timeline without disrupting your existing work. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Once the program loads up, you'll see several options at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where all the magic happens with your video projects. Now that you're in the Edit workspace, direct your attention to the left top portion of your screen. Here you'll find the Media Pool option. Click on it to ensure your media pool is visible and accessible. The media pool is essentially your library of all the video clips, audio files, and assets you've imported into your project, so having it open is crucial for the next steps. Next, look down at your timeline where all your clips are arranged. You'll notice a vertical line often called the playhead that moves along your timeline. This playhead is what determines where you're currently positioned in your edit. Drag this vertical line and position it precisely between the two clips where you want to insert your new footage. Taking a moment to position it accurately will save you from making adjustments later. With your playhead now positioned between the two clips, head back over to your media pool on the left side, find the clip you want to insert between those two existing clips. Once you've located it, simply drag that clip from the media pool and move it toward your video viewer in the center of the screen. As you're dragging the clip, you'll notice some options appear on the screen. These options give you different ways to add the clip to your timeline. What you're looking for specifically is the Insert option. Drag your clip directly to Insert and release it there. This action will automatically place your new clip between the two existing ones, and DaVinci Resolve will intelligently shift everything else on the timeline to accommodate the new footage without overwriting anything. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a clip between other clips in DaVinci Resolve. This method keeps your workflow smooth and ensures your existing edits remain intact while adding new content exactly where you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.